All right, folks, welcome back. This is question number 9 to your review. Once again, we're given a little paragraph here. Says a scientist conducted a study of 5,000 men over the age of 50. Participants filled out a questionnaire about obvious health issues. Based on the data, the researchers found that those participants who ate a high fiber diet reported 25% fewer incidences of heart attacks. The scientists concluded that a high fiber diet prevents heart attacks. The validity of this conclusion is questionable because, all right, we're given A through D. Let's see if we can eliminate some answers here. Well, let's start from the top. What would cause the question of this conclusion? A, no explanation of the mechanism. Well, we already know from a previous statement that being able to explain the mechanism is nice, but that does not necessarily satisfy everybody because we want to see evidence. So in this case, A is not the best answer. I'm going to jump down to number C. No evidence in other studies linking diets of high fiberness to the incidence of heart attacks. Well, if there are no evidence in other studies, that could mean that you're the first person to study this. If you're the first person to study this, this does not mean that this could not be true. So this is not the best answer because just because you're first does not mean that you will be wrong. So we're down to B and D. Hopefully you can always get down these to 50-50. B says the researcher does not show a correlation between diet and heart attack. Well, if anything, this research does show that. It shows that there's a correlation, and he's claiming that the more fiber you eat, the lower of heart attacks. So this seems like, okay, it could be an answer. Let's compare this to D. The researcher does not demonstrate a causal relationship between the two. And there's the big difference we need to know between B and D. Some things are correlated and some things are caused. Causal relationships have a direct cause and effect. So in this case, really what he's showing is that there's only a correlation, not a causation. So in this case, our answer is definitely D. He does not show a correlation, he shows a causation. Important distinction to know in the sciences, correlation versus causation. And with that, that was question number 9.